Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use UrbanVPN in your Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to various browser settings and features. Next, from the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will expand a submenu showing you extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install various browser extensions, including UrbanVPN. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in UrbanVPN, then press Enter or click the search icon. The web store will display search results related to your query. Look for the official UrbanVPN extension in the results and click on it to open its dedicated page. This page will show you details about the extension, including its features, user ratings, and reviews. On the UrbanVPN extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up window will appear asking you to verify that you want to add this extension to your browser. In this pop-up, click the button that says Add Extension. Chrome will now download and install UrbanVPN automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. After the installation completes, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu showing all your installed extensions. In this list, locate and click on UrbanVPN to launch the extension. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the extension loads and initializes. Sometimes this process can take a little longer than expected, so be patient and give it some time to fully load. The extension needs to establish its connection settings and prepare its interface before you can use it. Once UrbanVPN finishes loading, you'll see a screen with terms and conditions. Click the button that says Accept to proceed. This agrees to the service's terms and allows you to access its full functionality. Now you'll see the main interface of UrbanVPN. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu that displays different countries. Click on this drop-down to see all available server locations. Browse through the list and select the country you want to connect to. Each country represents a different VPN server location that will mask your actual location and provide you with that country's IP address. After selecting your preferred country, UrbanVPN will automatically begin connecting to that server. You'll see a connection animation or status indicator showing that the VPN is establishing a secure connection. Once connected, all your browsing traffic will be routed through that country's server, giving you access to region-specific content and enhanced privacy. And that's it. You've successfully set up and connected to UrbanVPN in your Chrome browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.